Hello students, how are you? I hope you are all fine and learning something new every day. Now, from today we are going to start our new chapter, acid, bases and salts. Now, what are acids and bases? You are all familiar with these terms. Acids are the substances which taste sour and change blue litmus red. Okay, so they change the color of blue litmus into red. Some examples: lemon juice, tomatoes, vinegar, etc. They are known as acidic substances. And bases, what are bases? So bases are the substances which taste bitter and change red litmus blue. So washing soda, baking soda, these are all basic substances. Now indicator, what is an indicator? So it is a substance which shows different color in different media. It means in acidic and basic media it shows different color. So therefore an indicator can be used to find the nature of a substance. So whether this substance is acidic or basic, it can be found with the help of these indicators. Okay, so types of indicators. So they may be naturally occurring indicators. Litmus, red cabbage leaves, hibiscus, they are all natural indicators. And some synthetic indicators, phenolphthalein, methyl orange. So these are some synthetic indicators, or they are also called chemical indicators. Now olfactory indicators, so they are also natural indicators, and these substances they change their odor in acidic or basic media, right? Therefore they are known as olfactory. Olfactory is related to smell, so they change their smell. So vanilla, onion, vanilla, all of you are familiar. Vanilla essence, onion juice or clove, they are work as olfactory indicators. Now in this table I have mentioned the effect of acids and bases on different indicators. You can observe this table. So all of you know about litmus. So it shows red color in acidic medium and blue color in basic medium. Methyl orange, red color in acidic and yellow in basic medium. Phenolphthalein, it is colorless and in basic medium it is pink. Red cabbage leaf, red color in acidic medium and green color in basic medium. Vanilla essence and onion, they are olfactory indicator. So in acidic medium the smell retains, the smell of this vanilla retains, whereas it diminishes in basic medium. Same with onion, so it retains its smell in acidic medium, but the smell diminishes in the basic medium. Okay, so these are some common effects and the effects of acids and bases on them. Okay, we'll move further. Now here in this table you can see the names of some common acids and their chemical formula. You should be aware of these before going further. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, nitric acid, HNO3, acetic acid, it is also known as ethanoic acid, CH3COOH, carbonic acid, H2CO3, and formic acid, HCOOH. So these are some common acids. Now we'll see some bases. So here this is sodium hydroxide, NaOH, calcium hydroxide, CaOH2, magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2, potassium hydroxide, KOH, ammonium hydroxide is NH4OH. So this is a short introduction of this chapter. So we'll begin with reactions of acids and bases with different substances in the next few videos. Okay. Keep learning. Bye.